How to check message requests on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to check message requests on TikTok. First, open or launch the TikTok mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see the videos shared by others. From there, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of the account, where you will see options that can take you to different areas of your account. After that, tap on this hamburger icon here. A menu appears from the bottom as you can see here. The menu has several options. From the options, tap on this one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy section of the app where there are sections that can take you to different areas of the app. From there, proceed and tap this option here named Privacy. This is the privacy page of the app where there are sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the privacy settings of the app. After that, scroll down and tap this section named Direct Messages. This is the page where you will find options that you can use to control direct message settings. From there, tap this option here named Allow Direct Messages From. A menu comes up from the bottom. The menu has several options. From the options, make sure you choose this one named Everyone so that you can receive messages from everyone. After enabling that feature, exit this page and come back to the main profile section of your account. From there, tap on this option here named Inbox, and you will land on the inbox of your account. After that, make sure you refresh this page, and whenever you receive a message request, it will appear somewhere here at the top. So, keep on checking this section. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to check message requests on TikTok.